Do they really squeak? It seems like they do. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to a brand new video. As you guys can tell, the background is a little bit different. So first things first, I want to give a huge shout out to my family over at the Fix Kicks for letting me this pair to do this video for you guys. I haven't even opened the box yet. So we're going to get my initial impressions of the 2025 Air Jordan Black Hat 4s. Starting strong with the box, we have our black speckle Air Jordan box. The colorway is black LT graphite, and this pair is a size 11. And like I said, I want to give a huge shout out to my family over at the Fix Kicks for lending me this pair and letting me review it early for you guys. Dubs in the chat down below for Fix Kicks. They also have another pair available, so if you guys are interested, I will have the link down below in the description to their website if you want this pair early. And speaking about early, this pair officially releases on November 28th, 2025. Retail price is going to be 220 clams, and right now, which is about 2 weeks before release date, they're hitting for about 320 to 330 on StockX. As far as predictions go, basing it off of the last release, those are reselling for a lot of money, but they also released in 2020, which is kind of like the peak of sneakers in my opinion. Everybody was collecting their checks, everybody was staying home, everyone was bored doing shopping on their phone, and sneaker prices were through the roof. But just to see these hitting for around 330, 320 2 weeks before release date on such a hyped up shoe, my predictions is that they're gonna hit for about maybe 260-ish. But that's just my predictions, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's go ahead and talk about the shoe. The Black Hat Air Jordan 4s have a popularity mainly because of the wearability of it, in my opinion. I mean, a triple black shoe is pretty easy to rock. You don't really have to worry too much about it getting dirty. They're super easy to clean, and it's an Air Jordan 4 model, which is pretty popular. Now, if you look at the shape of this sneaker, I want to say they did an A+ job with the shape. I love how the toe box is kind of slanted down like that. Some of the older Jordan 4s would kind of come up a little bit and it would look kind of funky. We also got our gloss black midsole. I remember repainting these back when I was in high school, and I used to hit it with hella of that high gloss from Angelus Direct. Comment down below if you guys remember the Angelus Direct days. Shout out to the homie Tyler, by the way. Hope you and the family are doing well. One of the main differences that Jordan Brand changed is the heel tab of the shoe. You're gonna get that Nike Air in that gloss black, and you're also going to get that kind of rubbery plastic heel tab. On the previous releases, I believe they were nubuck. Don't quote me on it because I actually never had a pair of Black Hat 4s. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of all black sneakers. I never was, and even when it comes to all white sneakers, I'm not really the hugest fan of. Personally, I do like it when there's something contrasting, like maybe if I threw in some white laces on this, it would kind of change my mind. But the retail price being 220 bucks and these just not being high priority in terms of sneakers, for me, this one is going to be a pass. But you guys let me know if you guys would cop or drop these in the comment section down below, and maybe let me know why. Is it because they were going for so much money and now you finally have the chance to get them for the low? Or is this a nostalgic pickup? Maybe you wanted them in 2006 when they originally dropped and you weren't able to get them, but you could get them now. Now, the main drama for this release obviously has to be that squeaking. And now that I have them in hand, I can kind of see where it's coming from, and we're gonna see if we could even solve this issue. I found the culprit, all right? It's this gloss finish right here on this waffle piece that's causing that. Okay, so in theory, it's because it's laced up so tight right here. So if we were to remove these laces, which I don't know if I should have done that because this is not my pair, but you know, we got to do it for science. We got to do it for science purposes, all right? So if you loose lace these where these wings aren't rubbing against this area, because look, hear that? It's rubbing because of that. So if you have it just out a little bit, you're not going to have a big deal. You're going to have to probably loose lace this one down below too, or you might even be able to put something right here to prevent those two materials from touching. This is Kevin's older pair right here. See the Jumpman on the bottom? He was making a good point saying these ones squeak too, so it's not like it was any different back in the day, which is one thing to note, right? Yeah, man, I don't think it's as big of an issue as people claim it to be. If you just loose lace them, you should be good to go. But again, this one is a pass for me. In terms of wearability and all that stuff, this is one that's very easy to rock. And even the quality of the materials feels pretty good. I mean, It's 220 bucks. Personally, I would use that money and probably end up getting like a brick by brick or even the SB pine green 4s. Those are more of my style, but something like this, I don't feel like I need it. I mean, I've never had a certain attachment to this one right here, but you guys let me know what you think about them in the comment section down below. Again, thank you to the Fix Kicks for letting me do a review on these and making this video possible. I'll have all of their info down below. Again, they have size 11s available at the moment, and then they're also going to have some GS sizes if you want to hook up your shoddy. Lastly, before we leave, I want to show some of the differences. The bottom sole has the Nike logo right there, Nike Air on the back tab is different, and then other than that, it's pretty much, you know, it's just a Jordan 4 that's black. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you guys enjoy the review videos, let me know as well. I could keep these things coming, baby. If you're not following me on Whatnot already, make sure to hit that link down below to get you $15 off of your first purchase. And I'm running a sale on my website, early Black Friday, 50% off all custom goods. So if you're looking for the perfect gift, check that out. Also, I'll see you guys very soon for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.